There, I was recording.
All right, Kaylee.
Just point at the camera.
Okay, this time if I hit the tree.
If you hit the tree, we'll have it on camera.
That's good.
Just
All right, Whiskey, are you gonna get
If you're
her?
heading for the tree, just don't lead with your head. Lead with your hand.
Okay, okay, here we go.
Get her, Whisk, get her.
Oh, that was so close. Get her, Pup, get her! She's getting away! Get her! He does like whiskey. He's trying to stop you. Christopher?
Yeah.
He got a hold of her, didn't he?
We got a hold of the rope a couple times.
Good boy, Whiskey, good boy.
Just don't get Kaylee's leg, that's all we ask.
Okay, you wave your finger.
Almost. Are you gonna get it and just hold it for her? Well, she can't reach it all the way, buddy. You gotta step down.
This is as far as I can take it.
Why am I doing this, Kirsten?
Because I dared you.
YouTube sensation.
I'm the primary breadwinner of the household. The head of IT at the company, and you want me to just throw myself out on a rope?
Yep, pretty much.
This will be great.
I'm trying to figure out how the hell Kaylee did this.
Here's how I do it. I take my outside foot and I put it up there, and then I take my inside foot and I put it on that little V there.
This is gonna be great. We got a crowd now too. Whisk, come here, Whiskey. Whisk,
Want me to show you?
come here.
Doing it wrong. That way works, but it's not the way I do it. But it works.
This is great.
Yeah.
You gonna get him, Whisk? You gonna get him?
Get him, Whiskey.
Whiskey, get him. Get him, Whisk.
Here he goes.
Are you okay?
Your shoe's like fell off.
Satisfied?
Where's the shoe?
Shoe.
Where'd it go?
Where's my shoe?
That hurt. Fucking mud.
Yeah, I still can pull them up.
How am I gonna get out of this?
Don't run for your life!
Run for my life? Should I do it again the Kaylee way where I just let myself go whee?
That's up to you. You're already.
Okay.
So did you record that or just take pictures?
Oh, it's all on record.
Oh, good.
This part thing needs to go.
Well,
Okay, you ready?
you get her, Whisk?
Here I go. Woo! Let the nuts out, go on!
No, did not.
Get off! Okay, I'm good now. No, it's out!
Big ass flies. Try to.
Kaylee's recommending my inside foot.
Might hurt with bare feet.
Well, I'm gonna find out now, aren't I?
He doesn't want to lose his crack.
You did it wrong again.
Yes, you mentioned that.
See, I do my outside foot where your inside is, and then I put my, so that I get higher up and I push There you go! You did it wrong.
What happened?
Would you like to show me? Yes, it does.
Are you concerned, Whisk? Wait.
Maybe if I get lower, I won't hit the tree. 'Cause I tend to almost hit the tree every time now. Maybe if I
Get her, Whiskey. Get her.
Go, Kelly! Go, Kelly! Go, Kelly!
Go. Oh, he's body checking.
Okay, good. I'm good now.
Candy's got the nice perfect form where she's standing up nice and straight.
Just let her drop.